welcome to Curly Fitness 1980 and welcome to today's video. So today's video, based on the title, you know that we are going to work out. Honestly, this is the first day since I haven't worked out in almost like 5 months, guys. Yes, 5 months. This is unheard of for me because I have not been myself, because I'm dealing with a breast implant illness. But because I'm having my surgery in July, and I want to make sure I'm in my best health possible before going to the surgery, and I need to detox. I need to feel myself again. So I pushed myself yesterday, the first day going back to the gym. And so my daughter was with me, she filmed it, and then she was like, okay, what are you gonna train? And I was like, I don't know, but I figured since it was the first day back in a long time and I wanted to do this quick video, and thank God I did, because let me tell you guys, it was so effective. I feel every single muscle, and this morning I wake up, my arms hurt, and then I'm like, oh my God, it was good. So I did a quick upper body workout. I touched every single muscle group. So if you're in a hurry at the gym and you don't know what body part to train, and then let's just say you want to train your upper body, just pick up a few different weight and then do a high reps, no stop in between. You only take a break when you're about to switch over to a different body part. So that is exactly what I did, and this whole workout probably takes me like less than 20 minutes to complete it, and I was done. And I did my 30 minutes cardio, and let me tell you, I feel so much better. I'm not done yet. I can't wait to put this surgery behind me so that way I can show you guys how to get ripped, how to stay healthy, cooking, everything you can possibly think of. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, join Curly Fitness 1980 family. Today I put some makeup on because I have a date with my husband, and I haven't been out in so long. So because everything that's been going on with my breast, I mean, as you can see, this one is high, this one is just doing whatever it wants to do. I don't care. Pretty soon your girl's gonna be flat chested. But anyway, so let's just go ahead and check today's video out. And if you want more information about everything that I'm going through with my breast implant illness, I will put the link down below so that way you guys can check that video out. So this is not what this video is about. We need to work out, right, girl? Let's go. Let's go. As always, be you, be fit, be blessed. Have a wonderful day, and let's kill the shoulder. Bye, guys. Okay, guys. So now I'm gonna start doing my warm up using my own body weight. I'm doing a front raises, and then that way, because I haven't worked out in so long, so that way I can kind of like warm up a little bit without, you know, first thing go to the weight. And then now I'm doing lateral raises again using my own body weight. That way I can kind of like get my body a little bit ready before I jump into the weight, because your girls hasn't been able to work out. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. And then keep in mind, this is an effective workout as well in its own, because you can train your whole body just using no weight at all, and then it's going to be effective. So this is exactly what I'm doing here. As you can see, I'm already a little bit out of breath. Now we're going to go ahead and grab 20-pound dumbbell, which is a straight one. And that one I like to use it because you can control it. And then so pretty much what I'm doing, I'm going to squeeze and release, squeeze and release. So we're doing this 15, I think I did 15 to 20 rep, because boy, I feel the burn. And let me tell you, it was very good. So now what I want you guys to keep in mind when you're doing superset, you don't take break. The only break that you're gonna take is when you're done with the set. So right now, I'm just pretty much doing 15 to 20, and then I'm gonna drop the weight, grab my 10-pound dumbbell, doing the same thing again because we're doing superset. So I'm grabbing the 10-pound and then squeeze and release. Make sure that you squeeze every single muscle, and then you come down. Squeeze and release. Squeeze. To finish this exercise, I am using my 5-pound dumbbell to wrap it up. So keep in mind 3 sets of 15 to each exercise, and let me tell you, you will thank me later. You're gonna hate me, but you're gonna thank me later. Guys, the next exercise is lateral raises. So what I'm doing here is using the two 10-pound dumbbell to do my lateral raises. Now let me tell you, I was like, oh my gosh, when am I gonna be done? So with this one, I only do two different exercises with it, the 10 and the 5. And as you can see, I'm gonna go grab the two 5-pound dumbbell and kind of like really focusing on the shoulder. And keep in mind with this exercise, you're actually targeting your back as well. But let me tell you, I was like, when am I gonna be done? But I did 3 sets of 10 with the lateral raises. Okay guys, so this is our last exercise. So in this exercise, I'm working tries, also buys at the same time, but the primary muscle group with this exercise is working my tries. As you can see, I'm bent on my arms, and when I let go, I extend it back, so that way it can really focusing on squeezing that back muscle. So this is the reason why you're also targeting your back muscle group as well. And this workout is pretty much covered my whole upper body. Even though it's fast, it's very effective. So that's why I'm using the 10-pound, and I'm also doing superset. So now we're gonna go ahead and take the 5-pound dumbbell to finishing up this workout by doing the same thing again, squeezing every single muscle group from the tricep to the back. And that's it for this workout, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And as always, be you, be fit, be blessed. And I can't wait to share more workout video with you guys. Bye.